Next example on linear transformation. Let u1 is 1 1 minus 1, u2 is 4 1 1, u3 is 1 minus 1 2. Be a basis for vector space R3. The basis vectors of R3 means these three vectors form the basis for R3. Let T from R3 to R2 be linear transformation such that T of U1 is 1 0, T of U2 is 0 1, and T of U3 is 1 1. That is the image of U1, U2, U3 under T. And the question is find T or find formula for T. So in such a type of problem, we are given the images of these basis elements, basis vectors, three vectors, and we have to find the formula for T. So here U1, U2, U3 is the basis of R3. Now take ABC belongs to R3. Uh, we have to express this ABC or XYZ, small xyz in round bracket x comma y comma z. So I have to express this vector of R3 as a linear combination of U1, U2, U3. And as U1, U2, U3 is basis for R3, and so every vector of R3 expressed as a linear combination of U1, U2, U3. So we have to express first ABC as a linear combination of U1, U2, U3. And so we take three scalars, let alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 be scalars such that ABC is equal to alpha 1 U1 plus alpha 2 U2 plus alpha 3 U3. Or we take K1, K2, K3 as three scalars such that ABC or small xyz is equal to K1 U1 plus K2 U2 plus K3 U3. And now we have to find the value of these alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 or K1, K2, K3. Now substitute u1 as a vector 1 1 minus 1, and then 4 1 1 and 1 minus 1 2. And now apply the definition of scalar multiplication first, and then addition of two vectors in R3. So by using the definition of addition and scalar multiplication in R3, we have this. Okay. And so compare LHS and RHS. We have three equations: alpha 1 plus 4 alpha 2 plus alpha 3 is equal to A. Then alpha 1 plus alpha 2 minus alpha 3 is equal to B, minus alpha 1 plus alpha 2 plus 2 alpha 3 is equal to C. So after solving these three equations, we have alpha 1 is 3A minus 7B minus 5C. Similarly, alpha 2 is this and alpha 3 is this. So we have to solve these three equations by using Gauss elimination method, that is form the augmented matrix and convert the matrix to echelon form, and then we have alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 as this. Okay, and then substitute these alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 at this. So ABC is equal to alpha 1, that is the value, into U1, and like that. So substitute alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3. We have the equation, and then apply T on both sides. T of ABC is equal to T of in bracket alpha 1 U1 plus alpha 2 U2 plus alpha 3 U3. And by using uh, applying T on both sides, so T of ABC is equal to T of alpha 1 U1 plus alpha 2 U2 plus alpha 3 U3. And what is by using the property of the linear transformations, the basic two property of linear transformation is what? T of U plus V is TU plus TV, and T of KU is equal to KTU. Okay, so we have, by using that two properties, we have T of this is this plus this is T of this, T of alpha 1 U1 plus T of alpha 2 U2 plus T of alpha 3 U3 by using property number U, that is T of U plus V is equal to TU plus TV. And then T of alpha 1 U1 is alpha 1 TU1 by using the second property, that TKU is KTU. So by using the combination of the first property and second property of linear transformation, we have alpha 1 TU1 plus alpha 2 TU2 plus alpha 3 TU3 by using the properties of linear transformation. And alpha 1 is this 3A minus 7B minus 5C, and TU1, what is TU1? TU1 is 1 0, given in the problem. Similarly, alpha 2 is this, and TU2 is 0 1, given in the problem. Alpha 3 is this, and TU3 is 1 0. And then apply the definition of scalar multiplication first. So multiply by this, in bracket we have in a round bracket we have 3A minus 7B minus 5C 0. Similarly, here we have 0 comma minus A plus 3B plus 2C, and here we have uh, 2A minus 5B minus 3C comma 2a minus 5b minus 3c, because both are 1. And then add the corresponding vectors. We have the by using the definition of addition in R2. So 3a, then 2a plus 2a minus 5b minus 3c is this. That is 5a minus 12b minus 8c by using addition. And then the minus a plus 3b plus 2c plus 2a minus 5b minus 3c is a minus 2b minus c. And this is the formula for ABC, t. What is t of ABC is 5a minus 12b minus 8c comma a minus 2b minus c. And if we take instead of this ABC small ABC as small xyz, then we have t xyz is 5x minus 12y minus 8z comma x minus 2y minus z. So this is the formula for t. So t is function from R3 to R2, and and therefore t of x y z three image of x, three tuple is order pair. This is order pair, is the element of R square. So if we are given the images of basis, some basis of the domain, then we can find the formula for linear transformation. So this problem is important. Such a problems are important. Again, the same type problem. So T of R3 to R3, the linear transformation says that T of 1, 0, 0, T of 0, 1, 0, and T of 0, 0, 1 are given. And we have to find T of minus 2, 4, minus 1. So we have to find the, suppose we have, if you have to find T of ABC or formula for T, then T of ABC. So express that ABC as linear combination of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Here we have to express minus 2, 4, minus 1 as a linear combination of these three vectors, that is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. And obviously we have the scalar minus 2, 4, and minus 1, obviously, because this 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1 is standard basis. In the previous problem, this 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 4, 1, 1, and 1 minus 2, 1, minus 1 minus 2, 2 is not a standard basis. So we have to do all these calculation, and we have to find the value of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, or k1, k2, k3. But here we have directly the value of alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, and that are what? Minus 2, 4, minus 1. So if we compute T of ABC, so what is ABC? First express ABC as a linear combination of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. And obviously, what is the linear combination? A in bracket 1, 0, 0 plus B in bracket 0, 1, 0 plus C in bracket 0, 0, 1. And then apply T on both sides. So what do we have? T of this is equal to T of this RHS. And T of this RHS is minus 2 T of 1, 0, 0 plus 4 T of 0, 1, 0 minus T of 0, 0, 1 by using the properties of linear transformation. That is T of U plus V is TU plus TV and T of KU is KTU. And then T of 1, 0, 0 is 2 minus 4, 2, 4 minus 1. Similarly, T of 0, 1, substitute T of 0, 0, 1. And then apply the definition of scalar multiplication. We have minus 4, minus 8 plus 2, then 4, 12, minus 8, then 0, minus 2, 2. And then add. We have these three elements after writing applying the scalar multiplication definition, and then add these three elements. We have 0, 6, minus 8 as the image of this. Similarly, we can find T of ABC. We have T of ABC like this. We have three tuple, and from that we can write the formula. Same problem here. We have to given T is function from R3 to R2, and T of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1 are given. And we have to find T of ABC, and hence find T of 1 minus 2, 3. That is just substitute ABC as 1 minus 2, 3. We have T of 1 minus 2, 3. So we have to express this ABC as a linear combination of 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, and 0, 0, 1. Very obviously, ABC is equal to A in bracket 1, 0, 0 plus B in bracket 0, 1, 0 and plus C 0, 0, 1. And then apply T on both sides. So T of ABC is equal to T of this whole RHS. And the T of this is what? A T of 1, 0, 0 plus B T of 0, 0, 1, 0 plus C of T of 0, 0, 1 by using the properties of linear transformation. And then T of 1, 0, 0 is given. Write that 1, 0, 0 as 1, 1. Similarly, T of 0, 1, 3 0, and T of 0 0 1 is 4 minus 7. Then apply the definition of scalar multiplication, that is first multiply by A, B and C in bracket, and then add corresponding components. We have A plus 3B plus 4C, comma A minus 7C. And therefore T of, we can write in the form of XYZ as T XYZ is X plus 3Y plus 4Z, comma X minus 7Z. And T of 1 minus 2, 3, just substitute ABC as 1 minus 2, and 3 we have the value 7 minus 20. So we can find the formula for linear transformation if the images of uh, uh, basis vector are given. So that is, these are the images. This is the image of 1 0 0. T 1 0 0 means image of 1 0 0 is given, image of 0 0 1 is given, and image of 0 0 1 is given. So if the images of linear basis are given, whatever may be that basis, may be standard basis or simple basis. This is simple basis, and their images are given. T of u1, T of u2, T of u3 is given, and from that we have the formula for that linear transformation. So next is A is this, let T from R5 to R2 be linear transformation such that Tx is equal to X. Then compute 1 0 minus 1 3 0. So Tx is equal to Ax. So Tx. So suppose X is 1 0 minus 1 3 0. Then A is this, and X is this matrix 1 0 minus 1 3 0. That is the column matrix. And after multiplication of these two matrices, that is apply first row on first column, we have 7 answer, and apply second row on second column, we have minus 5 answer. So T of 1 0 minus 1 3 0 is 7 minus 5. Then T from R square to R square be linear transformation, and that T of 1 1 is this 0 2, and T of 1 minus 1 is 2 0, and then compute T of 1 4 and minus 2 1. That is the images of these two elements 1 1 and 0 2, 1 1 and 1 minus 1 are given, and so we have to express this 1 4 as a linear combination of 1 1 and 1 minus 1. That is, suppose 1 4 is equal to A in bracket 1 1 and plus B 1 bracket 1 minus 1. Now take K1 and K2 be scalars such that 1 4 is equal to K1 1 1 plus K2 1 minus 1, and then find, by applying the definition of scalar multiplication and vector addition, we have the two equations and two unknowns. Solve that two equations. We have A is 5 by 2 and B is minus 3 by 2. So express this, and therefore 1 4 as a 5 by 2 1 1 minus 3 by 2 1 minus 1. That is, this 1 4 expressed as a linear combination of 1 1 and 1 minus 1, and that is this is the again repetition of linear transformation topic, linear combination. This is the repetition of, we have to express the vector as a linear combination of the remaining two vector or three vectors. Okay, that is the repetition of linear combination, as well as the coordinate and coordinate vector. This 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 2 are the coordinates of this 1 4. So in order to find the coordinate of the vector, we have to express the vector as a linear combination of the given three vector, two vectors, like that. In order to find the formula for T, we have to express that element as a linear combination of the these two vectors or three vectors. So, and then apply T on both sides. T of 1 4 is T of this RHS, and then by using the properties of linear transformation is equal to 5 by 2 T of 1 1 minus 3 by 2 T of 1 minus 1, and then 5 by 2 T of 1 1 is 0 2 given, and T of 1 minus 2 is 2 0. Then apply the definition of scalar multiplication. We have 0 5 by 5, and here we have minus in bracket 3 0, and then addition is we have minus 3 5 as the answer. One of my T of 1 4 is what? Minus 3 5, right? Minus 3 5. Similarly, we can express minus 2 1. The second problem, same, express minus 2 1 as a linear combination of 1 1 and 1 minus 1. And that is take K1 and K2 or A and B and find the value of a and b. We have minus 1/2 and minus 3 by 2 are the values of a and b, and then apply t on both sides, and then use the properties of linear transformation, and then write t11 at 0 2, t1 minus 1 at 2 0. We have this minus 3 minus 1 as the answer. So these are the exercise of the same type. So we are given v1, v2, v3 is the basis for the R3. V1 is this, v2 is this, and we have to find the t of u v1, t of v2, and t of v3 is given, and we have to find the formula for t x1, x2, x3, or t of abc, or t of xyz. So I have to express this x1, x2, x3 as a linear combination of 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0. So your first sentence is what? Let k1, k2, k3 be scalar such that this x1, x2, x3 is equal to k1, 1, 1, 1 plus k2, 1, 1, 0 plus k3, 1, 0, 0. And then apply the definition, simplify the right side and compare. We get the values of that k1, k2, k3 obviously in terms of x1, x2, x3 like this. After solving like this, we have the values of k1, k2, k3 in this form. Instead of abc, there are x1, x2, x3. Then write this statement and then apply t on both sides of this. We have the answer t x y z, t x1, x2, x3. So and then find the compute t2 minus 3 5. So substitute x1, x2, x3 as 2 minus 3 5. We have the answer of this problem. So answers are also given. So same type problems are these. Solve these problems. So we have to find the formula for the linear transformation. So let T from Rn to Rm be linear transformation, and let S is equal to E1, E2, Un be standard basis of R raised to n. Then the matrix T of E1, T of E2, T of En. So how we can form the matrix? That is T of E1, write T of E1 as first column, T of E2 as second column. In this way, T of En as nth column. So if this matrix is called standard matrix of T, or we can say that T represent by, or T is a multiplication by matrix, this matrix A. So we say that T is a multiplication by the matrix A, or we can say that T is this matrix is a standard matrix for T, and is noted by this notation in square bracket T. So the question on this note, find the standard matrix for the linear transformation T from R3 to R raised to 4, R raised to 3 to R raised to 4, R cube to R raised to 4, defined by the formula Txyz is equal to 3x minus 4y plus z, comma x plus y minus z, comma y plus z, comma x plus 2y plus 3z. This is the linear transformation from R3 to R raised to 4. So this xyz is the element of R3, and this image of this xyz is the element of R raised to 4. This is 4 tuple. Then we will write this matrix in the matrix notation, that is Txyz. Write this transformation in the matrix notation. Write this xyz as a column matrix xyz, and write this right side as a 3x minus 4y plus z in the matrix form. It's first row. Then x plus y minus z as second row, and then y plus z as third row, and x plus 2y plus 3z as the fourth row. Okay, and then we will find T of E1. T of E1 is T of 1, 0, 0. T of E, what is E1, E2, U3, E1, E2, U3, E4, like that. We have to write the standard basis for R raised to n. So here domain is R cube. His standard basis is E1, U2, U3. What is E1? 1, 0, 0. E2 is 0, 1, 0, and E3 is 0, 0, 1. So we have to find T of U1, T of U2, T of U3. So T of U1 is T of 1, 0, 0 is 3, 1, 0, 1. That is substitute x as 1 and y as 0 and z as 0. So 3, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 0, 1. And then T of U2 is T of E2 is T of 0, 1, 0. And then it is equal to, that is substitute x as 0, y as 1 and z as 0. So we have minus 4, 1, 1, 2. And then T of U3 is T of 0, 0, 1 is, that is substitute x as 0, y as 0 and z is 1. So 1, minus 1, 1, 3 is the column matrix image of this T E3. Thus, the standard matrix of the matrix of the linear transformation T is what? T is in a square bracket, right? TU1, TU2, TU3. Don't write this dash dash dash. TU1, TU2, TU3. And that is what is TU1 is 3101. TU2 is 4 minus 4 112, and the TU3 is 1 minus 1 13. And so this is the matrix for T. This is called standard matrix for T. Or we can also say that T is multiplication by this matrix. Suppose this is A matrix, then T is multiplication by A. So this is the wording for writing this. That matrix A is the standard matrix for T. Suppose this is A, then we say it is a standard matrix for T, or we say that T is multiplication by A. Okay, so we have the matrix A. So we can write this Tx is equal to Ax. We can write this linear transformation as Tx. What is X? Is XYZ. This column matrix XYZ is equal to A is what? A is this matrix. And X is again the matrix XYZ. So we can write Tx is equal to X. So suppose this is the standard matrix for the matrix linear transformation. Then from standard matrix, we can write the linear transformation. So find Tx. So what is Tx? Tx is Ax. And what is A? A is this matrix 1 minus 1 2 0 and 3 1 5, and X is x1 x2 x3. So from the standard matrix, we can write the formula for the linear transformation by using the formula Tx is equal to Ax, or A means what? In square bracket T. That is the standard matrix for T. So Tx is equal to Tx. The T matrix T is what? That is A matrix is this, X is this. So we can write in the multiplying. We have x1 plus 2x2 as first row, and the second row is 3x1 plus 2x2 plus 5x3. And we can write also this as T in a round bracket x1 comma x2 comma x3 is equal to, in round bracket, minus x1 plus 2x2 comma 3x1 plus x2 plus 5x3. That is, T is the linear transformation from R3 to R2, and we can write that formula. So using that, we can also find T of we have to find T of 1 minus 1 2, T of 1 minus 1 minus 1 2. That is substitute x1 x2 as x3 as 1 minus 1 and 2. We have this answer minus 3 12 as the column matrix. So from the standard matrix, we can find the formula for linear transformation. So we will see the remaining examples, these examples, in the next lecture.